Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? Welcome back. My name is Hussein and I'm here to bring you all back to our weekly updates, how the week has been within this week, how the Monday has been, how the Tuesday was, and how the market has been responding to the current events that were actually impacting on the market. All right, so first of all, we had a bit, not really a busy Monday, but then Tuesday, which is yesterday, we had a Bank of Japan interest rate decision, and then moving on to we had ILO unemployment rate, which was from the UK zone into the green. However, the most important event that actually brought the interest of investors to keep their eyes on was the retail sales, which surprisingly picked up very much higher, because after the ease down of the lockdown in the United States, retail sales picked up. This is why we see that US dollar became stronger, and also all the equities gained the momentum of bullish steam. All right, so that was till there, up till yesterday, the most important data. And then we also had Fed Chair Powell testimony, which was on the screen yesterday. So looking ahead on the current structure, as we could see that we had a forecast on Euro USD. First of all, you see it came back down from these levels because some sort of a head and shoulders was on the pattern itself. So I see that now the dollar has become stronger, and we will see more room for it to the downside. All right, so all in all, this could be the direction that we will be looking into for the Euro USD. Moving on to looking ahead for what actually happened on GBP CHF, because overall pound has to be weakened. This is why it has also been going down. I could see that there is more room for this to go down further. All right, so all in all, the risk is also to the downside. Right, that's what for GBP CHF. We had actually a lot of volatility yesterday that actually spiked in, and even though if we see that GBP USD, it is also planning to fall back to this verified support, which is very much likely that is going to happen. And even though we see at the current structure as well, also it is going down because dollar is getting stronger, and then we see that all the other currencies will be getting weaker. Now moving on to some of the other pairs that we had setups that actually were very potential. For example, if you have a look on AUD USD, alright, so for AUD USD is also going down. It has already broken this support, but I could see this is a weak support. I could see that today or tomorrow this will be completing this pattern, and the risk is to the downside for AUD USD as well. Alright, as we could see that in China there were a new spike up of cases in the COVID-19, and usually whenever there is a negative sentiment coming from China, it will have an impact on the Aussie dollar, right? So because they've got a very good trade relation all in all together. So moving on to Dow Jones Industrial Average. Dow Jones Industrial Average reversed from that level that we spoke about it at the early of the week. It has gone up. However, there is a bit of correction, might be taking a bit of time, might be coming down and then making a corrective structure, and then we see that the direction is more to the upside for Dow Jones Industrial Average as well. We had a latest news that we have been seeing on the social media, and also we have been seeing on CNBC as well. We came across to know that there's a drug name, or so-called a steroid, which is a dexamethasone, which is very, very useful in a way for those who are having difficulties in surviving in the COVID-19 disease. By giving this medication, it reduces the risk of that. So this is some sort of a green light for the investors to feel good about, because all in all, the confidence gradually is coming back, and this is why you see that the market is recovering. All right, so there is a hope that we will be coming up to a solution to it, and definitely things are going to get much better month by month and week by week. And for this week, we have got on the balance of the week, as we see that tomorrow we have got, today we have got a consumer price index and also retail sales from the UK. This will be impacting on the pound pairs, and also we have got consumer price index from Canada. Looking at for Canadian pair, I see that the structure, okay, no, this is USD JPY, no, USD Canadian. Alright, so we could see that there could be the price, it did go up, but it did not really go down, but I see that it depends on the data. If the CAD data is weaker, this pair will be going up. If the CAD data is stronger, then this is going to fall to this previous support and then bounce back up again. However, we're going to wait and see when the news will be released from the Canadian dollar, from the Canada, about the consumer price and how the spending of the consumer has been in the previous month. All right. So I see that many of the stocks actually recovered after the last week losses. As you could see that Microsoft remained in between the channel that we actually indicated, and then you see it has spiked, and I could see that it will be going up as well over longer term. And also for Facebook, remains up, it has also gone up. So all in all, I see that the structures are strong towards bullish momentum, and we will be seeing more room to the upside. All right, so that's just a quick review for today, guys. I really hope that this will be informative for you. We will be coming back again towards the end of the week to bring you more updates, and then from there we will see how we can position ourselves for the next week. Right, till then, take care and don't forget to join our London session focus. Thank you very much.